Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best automatic kitty litter boxes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Litter Robot LRII Litter Box. The Litter Robot LRII Litter Box is an automatic self-cleaning cat litter box. It saves time and money, thereby enhancing great cleaning experience. The patented sifting process cleans litter automatically after each use, and this is very effective for you and your cat. After cleaning, the litter box deposits wastes in large capacity drawer lined with kitchen garbage bag. The fact that it works without wires or rakes that clog, break or jam means this kitty litter box is safe and reliable. It measures 24 by 22 by 29 inches and comes with an 18-month full warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ScoopFree self-cleaning litter box. With the ScoopFree litter box, you do not need to smell, see or touch messy wastes, as all you need to do is to load the ScoopFree with the disposable litter tray pre-filled with premium blue crystals. The crystal litter not only absorbs urine but also dehydrates waste, thereby instantly removing odors. Using a completely disposable leak-proof tray with lid, this automatic kitty litter box offers a quick, hygienic cleanup. The ScoopFree self-cleaning litter box pairs perfectly with the ScoopFree anti-tracking litter mat. At number 3, we have the Omega Paw self-cleaning litter box. The Omega Paw self-cleaning litter box is just what you are looking for. It never breaks down and does not use electricity. It just keeps on rolling and rolling, and this saves you money and time in the long run. Inside the kitty litter box, there is a unique patented grill, which is separated out the clamped waste, depositing it into the pull-out tray. The roll-away self-cleaning litter box cleans in just seconds without scooping. It is perfect for multiple cat households or big cats. At number 2, we have the LitterMaid automatic multi-cat litter box. Eliminate the uncomfortable daily chore of scooping your kitten's wastes with the LitterMaid automatic kitty litter boxes. Measuring 14 inches by 17 inches, this litter box is designed for multi-cat households or cats weighing over 15 pounds. It has a safety bar and scoop and litter measure to ensure a clean and healthy environment. In addition to 4 carbon fibers and 4 sealed waste receptacles, the LitterMaid automatic kitty litter box comes equipped with battery backup, removable automatic rake, paw cleaning ramp, and removable litter tray. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSafe Simply Clean Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Escape the hassle of cleaning your pet's litter box with this innovative, self-cleaning system that works continuously and automatically. Quiet and simple to use, this litter box is suitable for cats weighing up to 15 pounds. Aside from moving one complete rotation in an hour, the bowl gets rid of odor-causing bacteria and foul odor. The litter box does not require a special bag and it will continuously clean without disturbing your beloved cat. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.